So, will it run again after sitting for, I don't know, 59 years? Have a gander inside. Okay, probably a bad sign there's only a piece of a transmission there where the floor used to be. I don't know. She's got the Bakelite steering wheel. A little bit of play, not bad. Maybe 3 inches of play. Okay, maybe 6. Of course, depends on what your version of 6 inches is, right? All right, let's carefully close the door. There we go. Cool. Oop. Looks like we popped a zipper. See? She's a Plymouth. Now, I would raise the hood, but she's kind of not hinged anymore. So we'll just pretend we didn't see that. That's fine. But take my word for it, there is a flathead 6 still residing under there. And just over here, probably want to check on the wheel bearings for the trip, right? So will it run again? Absolutely not.